the inside camera. We're gonna see if anything too crazy happens. Look, snow's starting. We're already starting to see some snow. I love it. Oh, we're going up to a gate. What does that mean? Does that mean we can't go any further?
We have to find a new spot.
I thought there was a forest access road thing. Well, we got a little time to like go look around.
Hopefully Jimmy brought the traction boards.
You didn't bring the recovery boards?
Jimmy didn't bring the recovery boards. He had 12 jobs.
Well, somebody lost their bumper on this stretch. Here comes Corey. Look at this view. Whew. No, 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 no. You got to go back and go around this way more. Okay, now you got to go straight.
No, he cannot make it, dude. That turn is crazy.
More, a little bit. Now turn, 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 turn.
Oh, wait. Oh, dude.
Oh, you shouldn't have slammed on the brakes. Oh, yeah, you're screwed, buddy. Who invited this guy? Oh, yeah, dude. Don't even do it. The juice isn't worth the squeeze, man. What do you want to do?
I hate this spot.
All right, then we're leaving.
This spot?
Yeah.
I did all that for nothing?
This place,
You like this spot?
this would be the worst place we've ever camped. So basically, we have been driving around for about 3 hours to find a spot. This spot sucked. I don't know. We started this journey at 10:30, and now I want to say it's like 3.
A few inches later.
All right, Jimmy found us a good spot. Much better than that last dump we were at. So we are by the road, unfortunately. Like I said, we've been driving for hours, so beggars can't be choosers. Jimmy's backed up here, and there's another car back here. Yeah, kiddie pool. But we are right next to the river.
What? There's a big river right here. I can't hear you.
Who's going down to the river?
Oh, broke, great. And then you just, probably gonna need the hatchet. You know how these things work?
A segment of the film.
All right, about time.
In the video where you gave me the knife, somebody said that it's tradition when someone gives you a knife to give them a coin in return. Well, here, you're gonna have to open that. Here, I'll hold. I hope you have a knife on you.
Benchmade bug out.
Of course.
What is Apollo 11? Oh, it's real silver.
Standing in there.
Oh. This thing is heavy.
I just got it because I had the moon and a bird on it.
Nice.
And
America.
And you take pictures of the moon and birds.
And birds. That's sweet. Thank you, dude.
You actually bit
It's
it.
not chocolate.
All right. So I've got my setup here. I've now got a queen size air mattress in here. That's a pad for the dogs. Got my flannel sleeping bag, a blanket, 2 pillows, and then a mover's blanket on top of the mattress pad. So hopefully the dogs don't pop it. And the sleeping bag did get a little wet in the back of my truck. I had it in a garbage bag, and otherwise just same old at the Gazelle tent, doing really nice.
All right, there goes Bob. Bob wants to go take the dogs home. Let's see what's inside of this thing. I got some salmon here, some cheese. I got some chopped meat that I marinated for a couple of days. Some salmon, just some steak, and then the wontons, which is for later time when it gets super cold. Some sugar cookies, hot dogs for lunch, country gravy. Because I bought this bread. We're gonna try to make some ghetto biscuits and gravy. And for hot chocolate, they got Land O'Lakes. So I'm currently making grilled cheese with Corey's grilled cheese maker. You have to go really into the fire with this thing because it took a long time to just even melt the cheese on the inside. I like how it makes like a, what's that? The peanut butter jelly thing? The Uncrustables. Yeah, Uncrustables. Look at that.
They make them hot pies.
This is my grilled cheese.
Oh, where'd you put my camera? I would have been here a lot sooner. However, when I left, I just hopped in and booked it, not thinking about all the stuff that was in the back of my truck. So I'm driving doing like 55 and I see like the shimmer of the tarp go whoo!
Oh no.
And then I lost one of the tops to my totes as well.
Is it melty enough? It didn't get crunchy though?
No.
It doesn't even look like the bread is cooked.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, I've never made a freaking grilled cheese.
He's never made a grilled cheese before.
Bread is whiter than Corey.
I know.
It looks terrible.
It looks
the same as mine. Actually, it was a little bit more brown.
Yeah.
Probably drop off fish next week.
The Christmas lights.
The car was wrapped in Christmas lights.
Get your soul.
You gotta go red mode, bro.
It's pretty dang good. Cooked on the coals. Oh yeah. That's amazing. You gotta try this. I say I'm a natural. Well, it's about midnight. Time to pack up. Head to bed. Got Corey heating up his vehicle.
That's right.
Fire's almost out. Got an awning up here, which has been nice. Kept us out of the rain. Literally like 2 steps away from falling down this, right into the river. That's pretty sweet at night. Yeah, did it rain last night? It's 7:30 in the morning. Breaking the rain. It was just dumping all night. It's all built up in the tarp. Stayed nice and dry inside though. Actually got so hot, I had to take my pants off. Cool down a little bit. I'm about to get this fire started, get some breakfast going.
Today we're gonna make some biscuits and gravy. Can I get some butter, you think?
Well, I was also expecting dogs to
That's
feed.
a lot of meat, Bob.
I know. They're like stoned.
Yeah. It's because you're getting smoke in your eyes.
Smoke is ridiculous, man. This is 2 pounds of ground beef, roughly a 1/4 pound of sausage. Just gonna skillet it up like this and then add some eggs when the meat's done. And mix it all together. That's it.
Looks like I got this side.
Yeah, that'll work.
What I love about this and gravy? Everything. I only want to do this and gravy now.
Oh yeah.
Because you were telling me you never had cottage pie, right? Is that true?
What?
Cottage pie?
I don't know what that is. All right, packing up. Breakfast is over. It was pretty good. Well, the biscuits and gravy were good. Fire's almost out, means it's time to go. Definitely not as good as the last spot.
No. But it's also not an official park.
And it was an adventure.
Yeah.
Gotta figure out what the Subaru could handle.
Yeah. They did pretty good, I thought. Kept up with big boy trucks. I don't have a big boy truck.
Yeah.
Putting out the fire.
Corey's struggling. You're gonna have to. Uh-oh. Ooh, that was close. No, you gotta come back. You're right on the rock. You gotta come back. At least 2 feet.
Oh, you said that was close.
No, up there. Stop.
Oh my god!
He Austin powered it.
How'd you get into that situation?
I don't know.
Get back out of it, but it's not great.
Careful of that rock.
You're good. Yeah, you're good.
What about that rock?
Wait, yeah, you're good.
This is how much room he has to work with. Clear. Well, that wraps up trip number 6. Time to go. It was a good spot.
It was a really good spot.
Little rain, little mud, never hurt anything. Next time, snow and lots of it. So be prepared.